Hi guys, welcome back to Shy and Makeup. Today we'll be going over the Allure box for the month of October. I know October is almost over, but the thing is these Allure boxes get delivered to my parents' house because I have had it since before I was married. By the time they make their way to my house, the month's almost always over, but I just love doing it because why not, you know? And of course we have our chai, and now we'll get into the makeup. Here she is. I know, I just can't do the ASMR thing. I know it's cool and all, but I don't know. It's too much for my millennial brain. I have a NULASTIN Lash Follicle Fortifying Serum. It's for having longer lashes, kind of like the Grande Lashes serum. I think I have their mascara here somewhere too. It works. I have tried it in the past, I think right before I got married, and it does work. The Grande Lash Serum does work, but I'm curious to see how this one is and how much the price is. I'll list it below it like I do, but I'm curious if it works or not. So, but I think I'm going to give this to my sister, so we'll find out the results from her. And there is this Wow Color Security Shampoo. I guess it's just a regular shampoo. That probably protects your hair if it is colored. I think this might be good because I have a lot of white hair and I have to color my hair and dye my hair. So this might be a good thing to try out. And it says 100% clean, residue free, leaves no residue, and apparently doesn't weigh your hair down. So we'll see. And I think this is a very good company. I've heard really good things about it. I haven't tried it yet, but heard good things. Next is the Anastasia Skinny Brow Wiz Pencil. This is in soft brown. I was trying their taupe color and did not look great on me, but I'll try this soft brown one, and a little soft brown like right there. If you've been doing makeup for a while, you'll know that this was like the first thing on the market that was really just iconic, and it was literally just for brows really that they were known for, but I think this is pretty nice. And I think the color match is good for me. Soft brown is not bad. This works out great because I was actually looking to buy one of these again because I have the ColourPop one, but that color seems to not suit me anymore, so I'm excited for this one. I've never been a brow pencil kind of girl, but after I messed up my eyebrows, I think I do need this. There is a little perfume. This is the TOCCA Laila perfume, which is cool. There is the Super Brightening Serum from Sephora, 7% vitamin C. It's like a glow serum. I'm sure it's good or does what it needs to do. So I'm curious to see how this goes. And as I'm getting older, I'm starting to realize how important skincare really is. And I've been trying to prioritize it more and really practice my self-care. You know, that little topic we talked about a few weeks back is this Ofra black eyeliner. It's just your typical black eyeliner. I'm not going to open it because I think I'm just going to give this one away. I have so many black eyeliners. But Ofra is a really good company. They have a bunch of cool stuff. They were really known for their highlighters back in the day, and I think I have a couple of their highlighters and their lipsticks, but awesome. Next is this My Smile No Slip whitening strips. I don't know if I've tried this. It seems like I may have, I'm not sure, but it has hydroxy petite, I don't know, a bunch of cool stuff that apparently helps. It's your typical whitening strip, so I mean, we'll see. I think that is it for this month's box, but I don't think it was a bad box. I think there's nothing very exciting for me in it that I would be like, oh my god, I'm so excited to use it. But I think this might be good for like someone like my sister who loves these products. But I'm kind of like underwhelmed by them, besides the Brow Wiz. But the Brow Wiz is literally just something I needed. It's not something that I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try it. It's just, yeah. Okay. I've been rambling too much and I need to go and drink some water. So I will be back eventually. Until then, take care. Bye.